In relation to the letter dated November 12, 2024, submitted by Mr. Lemuel Ortonio, and I guess the members of this committee were furnished with this copy of this letter. Upon reading of this letter, Mr. Chair, I have not seen any valid reason for Mr. Lemuel Ortonio not to attend in today's hearing. In fact, he has stated that he is aware that a contempt order and an arrest order were issued against him, and in fact, he is requesting that these orders be lifted for him to participate in the next committee hearing. Let me emphasize, Mr. Chair, that this letter was dated November 12, 2024. And today is November 20, Mr. Chair. With this assurance for him to participate in this or today's committee hearing, may I move once more, Mr. Chair, that Mr. Lemuel Ortonio be cited in contempt for the following reason, Mr. Chair. Number one, he is aware that there will be a committee hearing today, November 20, 2024, and that the excuse he offered in this letter is not a valid one. And for me, Mr. Chair, this is continued defiance of a lawful order of this committee, and it is a sign of disrespect wherein members of this committee, Mr. Chair, had taken the time to attend and appear before this committee hearing. Again, may I move once more, Mr. Chair, for Mr. Lemuel Ortonio to cite him in contempt, Mr. Chair. I so move.
Seconded.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Just to clarify, kung bakit po tayo nag-co-contempt ulit, this is based on different grounds.
Yes.
Yes, because the previous ground, yung contempt po natin, ang contempt po kasi, 6 po ang grounds. So yung first ground, without legal excuse to obey summon. Ito po kasi, yung binabanggit po ninyo is based on Section 11E, acting in a disrespectful manner towards any member or committee or any misbehavior in the presence of the committee. So, ibang ground po itong binabanggit po ninyo. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Just to clarify, it is under Section 11, Paragraph E of
Okay.
our House Rules, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
And further,
Please
Mr.
continue.
Chair, since we are citing Mr. Lemuel Ortonio for a different ground under our rules, and I move that Mr. Lemuel Ortonio be confined at Bicutan Prison, Mr. Chair. I so move.
There is a motion to confine Mr. Ordoño in Sampo?
Bicutan Prison, Mr. Chair.
Bicutan Prison. Is there any second to the motion?
Second.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
How long?
For how long? For what period?
Until the committee report.
10 days.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair. The period of detention.
Under the rules,
is-
section
10 days,
11
Mr.
E
Chair.
and F, 10 days po ang maximum.
Yes, 10 days,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, 10 days. We will go for the maximum, 10 days.